All right, today we're going to talk about some basic multiplication, which is what our kids are introduced to in third grade. So the thing I want parents and families to know is when kids are first introduced to multiplication, it's really about the concept of understanding multiplication is keeping track of how many groups and how many in each group. And we're doing that simultaneously, which is why multiplication is a little difficult. So we're going to think about the multiplication problem 5 times 4. And what that means is we have 5 groups and 4 things in each group. So 5 groups of 4. So one way we can think about this is on a number line. And we can go to a very wonderful standby strategy called repeated addition. So when I'm literally interpreting this, 5 groups of 4, I would find 4 on my number line. Well, I would start with 0, and I would hop one group of 4. That's one hop of 4. I'm going to mark that as one group. I'm going to find my next group of 4. There's my second group. This leaves me with 8. I'm going to find my next group of 4. That's my third group. Now I'm at 12. I'm going to find another group of 4. This is my fourth group of 4. Now I'm at 16. And I'm going to find another group of 4. That's 5 groups, which puts me at 20. So if I use repeated addition on a number line or skip counting on a number line, I want to make sure I have 5 groups of 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, I have that. And do I have 4 in each group? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Check. So what is my answer of 5 times 4? My answer is 20. And that's one way to approach multiplication using repeated addition or skip counting on a number line.